Good morning and welcome. My name is Sarah if you're new here. Thanks for stopping by today. Reese, mommy's trying to film, but you're too cute. So this is big sister, Reese. Hi. Let's start over. This is a long-awaited video. I've been trying to get filmed for a couple of weeks now. If you are new here, I am a mom, a stepmom, and a working mom. I actually have been off work for a couple of weeks, but I'm expecting a new addition to the family, a little boy, and he is actually due next Thursday. And I am so far behind on everything. I was hoping whenever I started, my first week off of work, that I was gonna be able to plow in and get so much done and have everything ready to go and clean and organized and have all of his stuff ready. But no, it was the complete and total opposite. I have had zero energy, zero motivation to do anything. And so here we are, less than a week away from his due date, and his clothes are clean, but I have yet to have found a place for them. Him and Reese are gonna have to share a room. We won't actually have a whole nursery for him. And the first little bit, he's gonna be in our room in a bassinet anyways, so it's okay. It's not like I have to have everything like perfect right away, but I have so much to do. Today's video is just like a prepping for baby video, just checking off my to-do list, doing some things that I've been wanting to do for weeks now. But y'all stay tuned, tag along, and just enjoy the ride. So I wanted to show y'all these awesome baskets I found at Five Below. I was searching online for some baskets that would fit in our closet shelves really good to help with organization. I love everything about these baskets. If you follow me on Instagram, I did like a little short clip about these. Found these at Five Below and I love them so much that I went back and I picked up these. I found these as well, and I thought this is kind of hard to see the color, but it's like a really pretty soft kind of mauvey pink. So I figured since Reese and little man are gonna have to share the closet, I got 2 of the navy blue and 2 of the pink. So these will be his baskets, the pink will be hers, and then the gray ones I can just use for whatever as well in there. But I'm trying to have some sort of organization going on. All right, you guys, well, we are all dressed and ready for the day. And I have my little helper down here. Reese will be helping me today. Got to get little man's clothes organized. So this is what I have to work with. I've got this drawer that's a complete and total disaster. I'm gonna fit, Reese's still using diapers right now, so I'm gonna fit her diapers and some newborn diapers in here. We're also gonna reorganize all of this stuff. The next drawer, I currently have like burp cloths and extra little blankets. So I've got to fill this up. And down here I do have Reese's shoes, which I'm going to move all this to the closet. So that way we can put some of his clothes down here. I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it. Are you helping mommy? Mommy's little helper today. Okay. I'm a go-getter and I got me. I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. Hey Reese, who's that for? Baby brother. You excited about baby brother? That's for baby brother, not you. You're too big. You're a big girl. So here's just a quick shot of all of his clothes. I've got them from newborn all the way up to like 3 months, 0 to 3 months. So that way they're just here at the changing table, super easy to grab. I've got these little hand covers so he won't scratch himself, and I'll also tuck some socks back here. I know it's not perfect, but like I've told y'all before, I don't have a lot of time to get things at least in place, so this will do for now. So just touching base, we had to come to a stopping point because we had to run a quick errand, and well, first we had to eat lunch, and then we had to run an errand, and then I had to go ahead and put Reese down for her nap, and I obviously can't work in the room while she's trying to take a nap since her and baby brother are gonna be sharing that room. And hopefully tonight, Peter, after he gets home and we have dinner, we'll be able to put the bassinet together. So I'll film us putting that together. I don't think it'll be that difficult, but I am so excited about the bassinet that we found because it's the one that I wanted. It's like the co-sleeper, the one that pulls up right beside the bed. And I found it at Once Upon a Child. I don't know if you're familiar with that. It's like a children's consignment store. I found it at Once Upon a Child for only $80, brand new in the box. And I didn't even realize it was brand new until I got it home. And those things, from what I could tell, they sell brand new at like Target, for example, or Bye Bye Baby for closer to $200 or a little bit over. So we were blessed to get a good deal on a little bassinet for that short period of time while the baby will be in our room. So we'll put that together later, and that's pretty much it for updates for now. We will get back at it here soon. Yay. So it's obviously the next day. Yesterday did not go as planned. I ended up falling asleep on the couch for a couple hours, so I didn't get the bassinet done yesterday, or Peter didn't, and I didn't get any more organizing done in her room, but we will continue to do that as we have time. But we're gonna go ahead and put the bassinet together for baby boy.
It's just fun. Casey, what are you doing? Okay. What are you, sorry?
Just give a kid a box and they'll be happy. There we go.
What, the wall? I have no idea what I'm doing. Insert the side rail into the middle support frame. Watch out, don't get your finger in here.
Bassinet. Done. All right, you guys, welcome to another day. After we got the bassinet finished last night, that was all we could do. Today's goal is to work on Reese's room and closet a little bit more, and I got some tubs that I'll show you guys in a second. I'm gonna put all the baby's clothes in that he has to grow into, and I'm gonna keep them in the closet so that way I can easily grab them as we need them. So we're just taking it one day at a time, and honestly, we are at the wire because baby could come at any time. I mean, his due date's in just a few days, but he can come whenever he wants. So let's just get as much, we're just trying to get as much done as we can, and just not stress about it. So yesterday when I was at Walmart, I got 2 tubs that I'm gonna utilize for clothes, one for Reese and one for our little man, which we still have to decide a name. They're a good size tub, and I'm gonna go ahead and start getting his clothes put away in one of these, and then I'll figure out exactly what I'll put in Reese's later on. So this is a tub full of future clothes. I've got everything arranged from like smaller sizes to larger sizes, so we can easily grab them as we need them as he's growing. And these are some things I left out that we'll probably be using sooner rather than later. So I will put these in a special place. And this is good to go to store in the closet. So have I showed you my crazy, insane, messy closet yet? I don't think so. No judging, please. But this is my project that has become a complete disaster. Let me flip you around real quick, hold on. So this is like a nice size walk-in closet that is in Reese's room, and I have got to convert this to make it usable for both her and baby boy. So things have gotten out of hand. You know how things just kind of get stuck places? Well, that's what's happened, obviously. So I have a lot of work to do. I got those fun baskets to help organize it, and I've got to just sort through and clean some stuff out. But so yeah, this is today's project.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, yeah, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet.
Alrighty, well, we are going to go ahead and start wrapping up today's video. As you can see, I got most everything done on my to-do list, and the main thing was to tackle this closet, and now we can actually walk in it, which is awesome. And I know where everything is, and I'm just so glad I was able to get this done before baby came. So as always, I just appreciate you guys and thank you for all of your love and support. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love for you to join my YouTube family. And I will see y'all in the next video. And probably by the next video, we will be meeting little man. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the